Practical number 7, wherein we have to write Python program using string, tuples and dictionary. First program, we have to write a program to sort a list of tuples using float value present inside the tuple. Sample data is given wherein we have a list of tuple containing 3 tuples having string and float values. Expected output is we have to sort this tuple in descending order of the float value. Therefore, item 3, 24.5 is the first element, item 2, 15.10 is the second element, item 1, 12.20 is the third element. We create the input list using the same sample data. So, price is equal to, in opening and closing square bracket, we are creating a list containing 3 tuples. So, opening and closing parenthesis, both the values of first tuple, opening and closing square parenthesis, second tuple value, opening and closing parenthesis, third tuple value. For sorting a list of tuple, we can use sorted function. This sorted function takes 3 parameters. First is the iterable. So here our iterable is a list of tuples. Second parameter it takes is a key on which it is to be sorted. So here we have to sort the tuples present inside the list using the float value present inside the tuple. So we have to access this float value. For accessing this float value inside key, we are writing an anonymous function, lambda function, which will return a value x, and x is first element of the tuple, which is a float. This is 0th index of the tuple, this is first index of the tuple, so we have to return float of type conversion because that float value was enclosed within the single quote, means it is a string. So first we are typecasting it into float and we are using indexing to access the first value. Now this sorted function takes third parameter reverse, which is to be set to true because we have to sort this list of tuple in descending order. Click on the cell and run the cell. You get the expected output. What we have done, we have used sorted function, we have passed a iterable to it, we have specified a key on which it is to be sorted. Using the lambda function, we have assessed that key element, and if all the keys are written, sorted function will use those keys to sort the tuple inside the list and arrange them in either ascending order or descending order by seeing the attribute reverse. If reverse is equal to false, then those tuples will be arranged in ascending order. That's it for this video. Thank you.